The little 66 pony car I did a little while back. Today I brought it in. We did some cleanup work on it. Now it's got all its chrome. Let me give you a little shot to show it. Wow. Nice little motor in the little pony. Last time you've all seen it was going on the trailer. Looks good with all of its chrome on. Wow. Got its old classic Kragers. Look at that finish on that. Isn't that nice? Still got to get some of the rockers to the inside, the glass in. She looks really good. Oh yeah, nice little exhaust on there. Got a 66 plates. Wow. Look at the size of that quarter. That's nice. So I pull that door shut a little bit. Let's see. Nice. I love that all metal console. Got the little ponies in the seats. Original radio. Alright, well there's my little walk around the 66 Mustang. It really looks shaped up. Alright, it's ready for leave. It's going home.